Assalamualaikum. From today, we will start to learn basic accounting concepts through QuickBook accounting software. As you people know the accounting, some softwares are mostly used. We are using for small business. That softwares which I want to tell you. The one is the QuickBook accounting software. The other is the Peachtree accounting software. The third one mostly in India for the small business used to run, that is called Tele software. So QuickBook is mostly used for the Pakistan and Saudi Arabia and UAE. Also this software is overall the world, the Pakistani majority people, they use this software. So we are taking that benefit and we will start to learn through QuickBook chart of accounts. So in today's lesson we will go through this and we try to create the chart of account. Actually, I want to tell you about something about the chart of account, because this is called backbone of accounting. Because you know the chart of account, all accounts is related to that one chart, and after that you can present the reports, all the financial reports like balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, and other analysis of reports you will build up. You will able to build up through this chart of account. So this chart of account is very important, and we will go through this and I will try to teach you how to create the basic accounts, which is first in today lesson we will go to learn assets accounts and accumulated assets. We will focus on these two accounts. We will create bank accounts, we will create for the cashier accounts, and we will try to create accumulated account for this. In future we will also future lessons to learn about other accounts. So we have to go to our video. Before we go to the video, please kindly subscribe my this channel and click on the bell icon, so you will get it new lessons and update about learning accounts. So just now come to the let's start to open QuickBook, and now we going to create a new company first of all in QuickBook. So I will show you the way how to create the new company. We click on the create a new company. Okay, then we this menu will be start, and we will press on express start. You can see here this is a create a new company file based on existing company. We will not click on any other place. We have to just click on express start a company. So now this form will open. You must have to fill up this form, and here we will be mention the business name. So we are just giving the name small general store business, and then we will go to the industrial type, and we will select the type from here. Here you will find a lot of the types, but we will go the wholesale distribution and sales. This we will be select, so we will be get it default accounts once we finalize this process. So from here business type, we will also select the form which is sale proprietorship. Then we will mention here the employees, number of the employee, how many employees working in your business. So we just I put it here like a 15, but we later on we will remove this one, because we again put it once the company will be launched and created, then we will edit it, and we mention here the employee total number. Here now we are typing the business address, like I am temporarily putting here A105 Gulshan-e Hadid bin Qasim Malir, Karachi. But we will put the name of city in below, because we have already the space for there, and you cannot type here the more characters. So in second line we will mention here just district name like Malir, and in city name we will be put Karachi, and we will click on the state button, and because there is the default some states mentioned, but as from there we haven't anyone, so we will select the other, so form will be run. Now we don't have the zip code exactly, so we keep it column as empty, and your company will be created. So just it will take a little bit time. So this is the way how can you create the company in QuickBook software. This is the first which we are showing you here. You see the some coming things that it's roll up and the company has been created, and here it is a form open that you wants to be create the more accounts of chart of account. So we skip this one, and we will go to the create with our own choice, and which is the default accounts. We will be upgrade that in with our own ideas. You can see the name here, small journal store business, and now there is the like in Excel Word there is the file option, where is the new company and how to open the company I will teach you later on. And here is the edit option, view option, and list we can find the chart of account in the first number, and we can also that with the magic key Control A we can open this form. So now this form is open, where you can find that by default chart of account. Here is the expense accounts, you can see this, and in above you can see the fixed assets accounts. So here is the accumulated depreciation and some accounts. So we will right click and we go to the new, and we click on the new. So one form will be open, how to create the accounts. From here we will select the bank account. You click on the bank account and you will see in the side the petty cash and check and saving accounts. So now we are going to create here for the cashier accounts. The first you can see the in above line there is the account type, which is shown as a bank, and now we are giving the description of the account, that is the account name, like HBL account, which is used in the Pakistan, some bank name, and we are mentioning here the short name of the bank HBL, and the account number like a dummy, this is the 1115542. And the same thing we are going to be put in the description, which will be shown in once we finalize this chart of account and we passing the entries. This will helpful for us. Here you can see also rounding number and enter the opening balance. Right now we haven't anything because we are just open the new business, so we no need to be put in the opening balance anything, and we keep it empty, and we will pass through the journal entries this all the things. Now we are going to be create other account like petty cash. Here we will not put the petty cash account, we will go for the cashier accounts. Like for the general stores, you know there is some counters which is called a cashier 1, cashier 2, cashier 3. So we mention here the cashier 1, and here is the sub account which we can mention in the categories, that these accounts are for the cashiers. Under that one all the cashiers total will be shown once you are presenting the reports. So we have to go now to create the sub account. Here we can mention the name of the sub account, a cashier accounts, and we put same things in the description just, and we click on the sell and close. So now in the sub account you can find it, the cashier account. In the description we mentioned the account name is a cashier 1, and we leave it the other fields like bank account number and routing number and opening balance we leave empty, and we just create a save and new. So we here again we will try to be put the cashier number 2, and we click on the button of sub accounts, and then it will be open field, and you can select from here the head account is cashier account, and now you can put in the description, just copy paste and rename as a second cashier account, cashier number 2, and we click on the save and new, and we will same this process we have repeated, and we are going to create the cashier account number 3, and we take it from the sub account like a cashier account, and description we again copy and paste and put it in the description the same account name like a cashier account number 3, and we just now finish this step. So we click on the save and close. So now you can see here in the heading account is showing cashier account, and the cashier 1, cashier 2, cashier 3 account you have, and the bank account HBL account you can see the here. So this is which is appearing in your chart of account, this categories, and you can see the here the in type there is showing a bank accounts type, and here we start to create a fixed asset account. You can see the vehicle purchase account, and we click on the sub account, and then we select the asset accounts, and in description we will put the same name, and then we click on create a new. Now you can mention here the other account, vehicle purchase account, and the third one we will create here, furniture for shop, and we select this one, make it copy, and just paste in the description, and we select the sub account like fixed assets account, and we put in this description this furniture for shop, just paste it, Control V, and we create the third one account also like computer and laptop. So we type here computer and laptops. So which you have the for the shop computers and laptops, so you will put for this when we purchase for the business, we select this one account, and we click on the sub account and select the fixed assets account, and again we mention in the description this computer and laptop, and just we click on the save and close. So these fixed assets accounts we already generated. Now we will try to create the accumulated depreciation, which we learn in next video also. So what is the actually the accumulated depreciation? I will give you the explanation in my video what is the accumulated depreciation, but right now we are just going to be build up the chart of account, and we create which accounts we make it the fixed assets we must create for that one accumulated accounts. So we click and select the field fixed asset accounts, and we mention in the account type like accumulated depreciation. So I will just mention here the short name AD accumulated depreciation, and we can also mention here like accrual accounts. So you can also mention like ACC short form, so you can know that this is the accumulated depreciation, but place on that I just mentioned short name AD, and computer and laptop I mentioned that one, and in the sub account we also select the accumulated depreciation. And now in description we mention name of account, in description that one same make it just Control C Control V, and we click on the save and new button. So we have to also create that remaining two accounts of assets like furniture and computer and laptop. So we are going to be here. Just to select the type of account, the accumulated depreciation account, and in the account name we are now going to type computer and laptop. Just I am going to see. Type is perfect and everything. Sorry, we already created the computer and laptop. So the second account, accumulated depreciation for the furniture, for the shops. So we create that one, and accumulated depreciation sub account head, we must keep it that one. And now we just type AD in beginning, so it will show as a accumulated depreciation. And you can see this. Accumulated furniture for shops. We copy that one and we put it in the description below, and we have to create the one last account for accumulated depreciation. So we click on the save and new, and it's again the form is open. AD vehicle, sorry, let me see which account is remaining in sub accounts. I can see the which one I selected the sub account name, and now we created the vehicle for vehicle. So now you can see this here, that we have the three types in the accumulated depreciation. One is computer and laptop, accumulated AD, and furniture and vehicle. And below you can see the fixed assets accounts, the same, these three accounts are available. So this is the my lecture regarding for this three basic accounts which we created the company and account names. In next video I will show you how to we create the further accounts. Thank you very much.